For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Telangana state government stalls COVID-19 testing for 2 days. On June 14th, the Telangana government decided to test 50,000 people within 10 days' time. The decision was taken after the High Court came down heavily on the state government for not testing enough people in the state. Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao directed officials to conduct tests on 50,000 people in 30 assembly constituencies in Hyderabad. Now the Telangana government has stalled the testing for 2 days as the labs are struggling to issue the test results. Ever since the High Court pulled up the Telangana government, the state has been testing only 2,500 to 3,000 patients per day. But now the hospitals claim that they are yet to clear the backlogs. In Telangana, 10 government labs and 18 private labs conduct COVID-19 tests. Now these labs are overburdened and the state government has decided to stop testing people temporarily.
Collection of samples by conducting special camps has been stopped for 2 days so that the testing of pending samples can be completed and labs and collection centers are sanitized.
The health official further added that the sample should be tested within 48 hours of collection. It is reported that there is a delay in testing the sample, then it would show a false positive result.
Each sample has to be tested within 48 hours. Until then, it has to be preserved in controlled temperature. If there is delay in testing the samples, it may show false positive results.
Needless to say, Telangana government lacks decent testing infrastructure. Adding to the woes, Telangana has one of the lowest testing rates in the country. Initially, the Telangana government used to test only 120 people a day. However, after receiving flack from the High Court, the state ramped up testing. Telangana has a positivity rate of 30.6%, which means approximately 31 out of every 100 people tested are diagnosed with COVID-19. In Telangana, people with no severe symptoms will be home quarantined. Time and again, Chief Minister Chandrasekhar Rao has requested people not to panic. Chief Minister KCR has assured that the state government is fully equipped to combat COVID-19. He further added that the government has adequate test kits, PPE kits, ventilators, ICU beds and masks.